We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 21. Tickets for a school event were sold for $18 each. A total of $4,554 was collected from these ticket sales. How many tickets were sold for this event? To determine how many tickets were sold for the event, we need to divide the total amount collected by the cost for each ticket, which is 4,554 divide 18 equals 253. Therefore, A is the correct answer. Question number 22. The diagram shows the locations of 3 cities and the triangle formed between these locations. The distances between the cities are shown in miles. What is the perimeter of the triangle in miles? Perimeter of the triangle equals the sum of the 3 side lengths, which is the sum of 10.1, 21.5, and 28.1. The perimeter of the triangle equals 59.7 miles. Question number 23. To determine the value of this expression, we have to follow the order of math operations for this particular expression, which is parentheses first, then multiplication or division, from left to right. Last is addition and subtraction, also from left to right. So, 25 plus 19 equals 44. Then 4 times 3 equals 12. The result of this expression is 144. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question 24. The graphic organizer shown can be used to classify triangles. Which triangle can be classified as scalene? So, what are isosceles triangles? Isosceles triangles have at least 2 sides that are congruent, means the same. Equilateral triangles have 3 congruent sides. Scalene triangles have no congruent sides. We can conclude H is the correct answer since the triangle has no congruent sides.